Hey, this is Niki with Sweet Rehab with Seafood Boil. This is a great way to enjoy seafood outdoors. It will offer some good, messy, yet yummy fun. Let's get started. First, add unsalted butter to a small saucepan and allow it to melt. Next, add the minced garlic and stir and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the garlic softens. Add the Old Bay seasoning, paprika, Cajun seasoning, lemon pepper, brown sugar, black pepper, garlic powder, cayenne. This recipe has an option of making it with a Vietnamese twist. You can do this by adding the minced crab paste or shrimp paste, but feel free to leave this out. The sauce will still be super yummy. And then the hot sauce. Simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Taste and adjust to your preference. And the sauce is now complete. Now we're going to start on the seafood. Once the water is boiling, add the potatoes and the corn as they take the longest to cook. After, add the shrimp and sausage. Once the water starts to boil again, time it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Scoop everything out and place into a large pot or skillet. Keep everything at a low heat. Scoop the boiling stock into a bowl and mix with the Cajun sauce. Taste and adjust. If you need more boiling stock, add more. Pour the sauce over everything. Mix until everything is all coated with the sauce. Add the contents to a large bowl or pour into a heat-safe bag. And there you have it. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this yum tutorial. Let me know by hitting the like button or letting me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.